everyone, welcome back to Pop Off English. If you want to learn English, have fun, and listen to easy stories, you are in the right place. Today's episode is all about getting lost in a new city and asking for help. So if you're planning to travel, or if you just want to sound more confident in English, stay with us. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English too. It really helps us a lot. Today I'm not alone. I'm here with Leo.
Hello everyone, I'm Leo. I'm very excited because today's story is about something that happens to me all the time, getting lost. I get lost in new cities, in my own city, in supermarkets, even in my own building.
You get lost in your own building?
Yes, my elevator has two sides. Sometimes I walk out on the wrong side and I think, where am I? Is this a parallel universe? New neighbors? New doors? No, just the other side of the building.
So you are perfect for today's topic.
Exactly. Today we'll talk about simple English phrases you can use when you're lost, especially in a new city. We'll learn how to ask for help, how to understand directions, and how to stay calm when you don't know where you are.
And we'll do it with a fun story. Imagine this. Mia and Leo are in a new city for the first time. They have a map, they have a phone, they have energy. They do not have any idea where they are.
That sounds very realistic.
Let's start our story.
Our story starts at the train station. We arrive in a big city. There are many people, many signs, and many sounds. Announcements, music, rolling suitcases. It's exciting, but also a little scary.
We have one simple goal. Go to our hotel. Easy, right? The hotel is called City Dream Hotel. On the website it says, only 10 minutes from the station. That sounds perfect.
Yes, 10 minutes if you know where you're going. 2 hours if you are us.
We walk out of the station. We look left, we look right, we look at the map. The map looks back at us and says, good luck.
I open my phone and look at the map app. The blue dot is us. The hotel is there. We just need to walk straight.
We start walking. After 5 minutes, everything looks the same. Tall buildings, small shops, a cafe on every corner, a strange statue of a fish with wings.
I say, I think we are going the wrong way.
I say, are you sure?
I say no, but I have a feeling.
Then I check the map again. The blue dot has moved, but not in the right direction.
The hotel is now behind us. Somehow, walking straight made us go in the wrong direction. It's like magic, but sad.
Now this is our first important phrase for today. When you are lost, you can say, excuse me, I'm lost. Very simple, very useful. Let's put it into the story.
We stop on the sidewalk and look around for someone friendly. We see a woman in a yellow coat. She is standing near a bus stop.
I walk to her and say, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please?
This is a very polite sentence. We start with, excuse me, to get attention. Then we say, I'm lost. And we finish with, can you help me, please? Easy, clear, and kind.
The woman smiles and says, sure, where do you want to go?
Now we use our second important phrase. We say, I'm trying to find, and then the place.
I say, I'm trying to find City Dream Hotel. Do you know where it is?
The woman thinks for a second and says, oh yes, it's not far. Go straight, then turn left at the traffic lights, then go past the park. The hotel is on your right.
Now, that is a lot of information. When you are a beginner in English, long directions can be difficult. So here is a very important question you can use. Could you say that again, please?
Exactly. Very useful. So in the story, I say, sorry, could you say that again, please?
The woman repeats slowly. Go straight, turn left at the traffic lights, go past the park. The hotel is on your right.
Let's look at some vocabulary from this. Go straight means continue in the same direction. Don't turn left or right. Turn left and turn right are very clear. Change direction to the left or to the right. Traffic lights are the red, yellow, and green lights on the street. Go past the park means walk until you go beyond the park, until the park is behind you.
And on your right means the hotel is on the right side of the street when you walk.
Directions are like a small story. You start here, then you do this, and at the end you arrive.
Back to the story. We thank the woman. I say, "Thank you very much." This is another good phrase. You can also say, "Thanks a lot," or just "Thank you."
We start walking again, we go straight, we find the traffic lights, we turn left, we see a park.
So far, everything is perfect. We walk past the park, but we do not see the hotel on the right. We see a pizza place, a bank, a pharmacy, a cat on a car, but no hotel.
I say maybe we passed it.
I say, maybe it doesn't exist. Maybe it's an imaginary hotel.
I check my phone again. The map says recalculating. That is never a good sign.
Now, sometimes when you are lost, it's not enough to ask once. You might need to ask again. That's okay, it's normal. Getting lost is part of traveling.
We see a man with a bicycle. He looks relaxed, so we decide to ask him.
This time, I try a different phrase. I say, "Excuse me, do you know where City Dream Hotel is?"
That's another useful question. Do you know where is? You can use this with any place. For example, do you know where the station is? Or, do you know where the bus stop is?
The man looks at us and laughs a little. He says, "You're very close. It's behind you."
We turn around. And there it is. The hotel. Big sign, big door, big. Hello, you walked past me twice.
I feel a little stupid, but also happy. I say, "Oh, wow, thank you."
The man says, no problem. Have a nice day.
This is another good phrase to remember. Have a nice day. It's friendly in common.
So we finally arrive at the hotel. The adventure is over, right?
Not yet. This is just the beginning.
We check in, leave our bags, and go out again to explore the city. This time, we think we are ready. We have a plan.
Our plan: go to a famous museum. The museum is in the old part of the city. The streets are small and beautiful and confusing.
The map says it's a 15-minute walk. We look at the map, we look at the street, we say, yes, easy, we can do this.
We start walking, we cross a bridge, we see a small market, we feel like professional travelers. No problem, no stress.
Then we enter the old town. Suddenly, the streets are not straight. They are small, they turn, they split, they join again. The buildings are tall and close. The GPS signal is weak.
The blue dot on my phone starts to move in strange ways. It jumps from one street to another.
I say, I think we're lost again.
I say, "No, we are exploring."
That is a positive word for lost.
We walk for 5 more minutes. We see the same fountain 3 times. I start to think, maybe we are walking in circles.
Now we use another useful question. When you think you are going in the wrong direction, you can ask, is this the right way to, and then the place?
We see an older woman sitting on a bench with a small dog. I walk to her and say, "Excuse me, is this the right way to the museum?"
She smiles and says, not really.
"Not really. That's never good."
She says you need to go back, then turn right at the bakery, then go straight until the church. The museum is next to the church.
I try to remember. Back, right, bakery, straight, church, museum. My brain is full.
When you have a lot of information, you can use another very helpful sentence. Could you speak more slowly, please?
So I ask, Could you speak more slowly, please? And she repeats the directions, slowly and clearly.
We also learned two more words here, next to and bakery. A bakery is a place where you can buy bread, cake, and other delicious things. Next to means very close to, on one side. For example, the museum is next to the church.
We say thank you and follow the new directions. We go back, we turn right at the bakery, and yes, we stop to buy a small cake because we're human. Then we walk straight until we see a big church. And finally, we see the museum next to it.
We did it. We are heroes. Lost heroes, but still heroes.
Now, let's stop the story for a moment and review some important phrases and words we use today.
For asking for help when you're lost, excuse me, I'm lost. Can you help me, please? Excuse me, do you know where the station is? I'm trying to find City Dream Hotel. Is this the right way to the museum?
For understanding directions and asking again, could you say that again, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
For directions, go straight, turn left, turn right, go past the park. It's on your right, it's on your left, it's next to the church.
And for being polite and friendly, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. No problem. Have a nice day.
These small phrases are very powerful. They help you travel, make connections, and solve problems in real life.
Now, let's continue our story. After the museum, it's time to go back to the hotel. The sun is going down, the streets are a little darker, the city looks different.
We try to follow the signs to the center. We see a sign that says City Center with an arrow. We follow it, then another sign, then no signs.
We walk and walk. I say, this doesn't look familiar.
I say, I don't recognize this place. That's another useful sentence. I don't recognize this place. It means the place is not familiar to you.
The buildings are more modern now. More offices, fewer cafes. I look at my phone. The battery is at 3%.
This is the moment when you think, maybe I should have charged my phone before going out.
I say, okay, new rule. We don't use the phone. We ask a real person.
That's actually a good idea. Speaking with people helps you practice English. And most people are kind and happy to help.
We see a group of 3 students. They have backpacks and headphones. I say, excuse me, can you help us?
This is another simple question. Can you help us or can you help me? Very direct and polite when you add please.
They say, sure. I say, we're trying to get to City Dream Hotel near the station. Is this the right way?
One of them takes out his phone and checks the map. He says, you're a little far, but it's okay. You can take the tram. The tram stop is over there.
Now we have a new situation. Not walking, but taking public transport. So I ask, where is the tram stop?
He points and says, it's across the street, next to the supermarket. More good words. Across the street means on the other side of the street.
We learn that we need tram number 3, direction Central Station. So I ask, which tram do we need? That's another useful travel question. Which bus do we need? Which train do we need? And so on.
The student says, take tram number 3. It goes to the station. The hotel is near there.
We say, thank you so much, and walk to the tram stop. I check my phone one last time. Battery, 1%. Then the screen goes black.
Perfect timing. But now it's okay. We have information. We feel less lost.
At the tram stop, we read the signs. We see the number 3. It arrives, we get on, and after some stops, we see the station. And we know the hotel is only 10 minutes away. Or 10 minutes that become 30 because we stop again for snacks.
At the end of the day, we are tired, but we are happy. We got lost many times, but we survived. We learned new words. We practiced asking for help.
And that is the important message today. It's okay to get lost. when you are in a new city, and when you are learning a new language.
Sometimes you think, I don't know the right words. I don't understand everything. That's like being lost in the language.
But if you stay calm, ask for help, and use simple, clear sentences, you will find your way. People will help you. You will learn more and feel more confident.
So let's do a final quick review of useful phrases for getting lost and asking for help.
To start a conversation, excuse me. Excuse me. Can you help me, please? Excuse me. I'm lost.
To ask about a place, I'm trying to find the museum. Do you know where the station is? Is this the right way to the park? Where is the tram stop?
To ask for repetition or clarity, could you say that again, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Important direction words: go straight, turn left, turn right, go past the park. It's on your right, it's on your left, it's next to the church. It's across the street.
Polite expressions. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. No problem. Have a nice day.
If you can use these phrases comfortably, traveling in English-speaking places will be much easier. And even in non-English speaking places, these phrases can help, because many people speak a little English.
If you want, you can write your own short story about getting lost in the comments. Use some of the phrases from this episode. Create your own Mia and Leo adventure in your city.
And remember, don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are part of the journey, just like getting lost is part of traveling.
Before we go, if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Pop Off English, like this video, and share it with a friend who wants to learn English for beginners.
Your support helps us make more simple and fun podcasts for you. And it helps other learners find this channel.
Thank you for listening, thank you for learning with us, and have a nice day wherever you are in the world.
See you in the next episode. And if you get lost, just remember, ask for help, use your English, and enjoy the adventure.
Bye for now.